Right, there are 8 parts given, expanded form given as a product, this all thing given. You have to write the index form, and also you have to find the values of this product. These all products you have to find the values. Right, now let's go to the first one. 5 multiply 5. 5 multiply 5 I can write as the index form. 5 multiply 5 is 5 to the power 2. You can check your answers with red color pen. Take red color pen and check the answers. Then also we have to find the value. Evaluate 5 multiply 5. 5 times 5, 25. Both of the answers you have to write for each questions. Next one, 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. Index form we can write 1, 2, 3 times, no? So 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 is 10 times 10, 100. 100 multiply 10, 1000. Right, then third one, look at 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 to the power 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. Fourth one, 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. Index form 1 to the power 3. 1 to the power 3 is 1, no? 1 multiply 1, 1. 1 multiply 1, 1. So the value is 1. Part 5. 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. Index form 1 to the power 5. The value is also 1. Right? Then next one, 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. 7 wrote 4 times. So 7 to the power 4. Index form is 7 to the power 4. 7 times 7. 7 multiply 7, 49. 49 multiply 7, 63. Remaining 6, 28, 34. 343. Then 343 again you have to multiply by 7. 7 times 3, 21, remaining 2. 7 times 4, 28. 28 plus 2, 30, remaining 3. 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. So the answer is 2401. Right? Then number 7, look at 5 multiply 5. We can write the index form 5 to the power 2. 7, only one 7. So you can write 7. If you want, you can write 7 to the power 1. Also 7 is enough. Multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 to the power 2. This is the index form. Then you have to multiply these values. 5 multiply 5, 25. 25 multiply 7. 25 multiply 7. What is the value? 35. 14 plus 3, 17. 175. Then 175 multiply 3. 15, remaining 1. 21, 22, remaining 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 525. Then 525 again you have to multiply by 5. Sorry, again you have to multiply by 3. 15, remaining 1. 6, 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 times 5, 15. So the answer is 1575. Right? Then last one, look at 6 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, 3 to the power 3, 4 multiply 4, 4 to the power 2. Then also you have to multiply these values. 6 times 3, 6 times 3, 18. 18 multiply 3, 18 multiply 3, 18 multiply 3 is 54. 54 multiply 3, 12 remaining 1, 15 plus 1, 16. Then this value again you have to multiply by 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 6, 24, remaining 2. 4 times 1, 4 plus 2, 6. Then again this value you have to multiply by 4. 4 times 8, 32, remaining 3. 4 times 4, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, remaining 1. 4 times 6, 24, plus 1, 25. So the answer is 2592. Right? Are you correct? Your answers. There are 8 parts. All are correct. Did you get the correct answers? Right. Okay, they are the answers for the third question of this exercise. Sorry, second question, no? Second question answers. These questions, first you have to write the expanded form, then you have to evaluate the values. Right, first one, 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 expanded form is 2 multiply 2 multiply also here 3, no? So also you have write 3. Then you can find the value 2 multiply 2, 4. 4 multiply 3, 12. So the answer is 12 for the first part of fourth question. Second one, 2 to the power 3. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 multiply 2, 4. 4 multiply 2, 8. 8 multiply 3, 24. Next one, 2 to the power 2. 2 multiply 2. 3 to the power 2. 3 multiply 3. 2 multiply 2, 4. 4 multiply 3, 12. 12 multiply 3, 36. Right, next one, 3 to the power 4. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 multiply 3, 27. 27 multiply 3, 81. Next one, 2 to the power 2. 2 multiply 2. 3 to the power 2. 3 multiply 3. 4 to the power 2. 4 multiply 4. Now carefully you have to multiply these values. 2 multiply 2, 4. 4 multiply 3, 12. 12 multiply 3, 36. 36 multiply 4, 24, remaining 2. 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 144. Again you have to multiply by 4. 4 times 4, 16, remaining 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17, remaining 1. 4 times 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer is 576. Right? They are the answers for the fourth question.